Hey guys, it's John Thomas and welcome back to my Tianjin life. I thought today I would take you on a little bit of a hotel tour of Beijing. In the last couple of weeks I have spent a couple of nights in Beijing for work, and each time I've gone over the past couple of weeks I've stayed in a different hotel. So I thought that I would actually give you a little bit of a glimpse into 3 different hotels. Kind of in a good, better, best mentality. So I'll talk to you a little bit about the hotel and then show you the room tour, and then I'll take you to the next hotel and do a room tour, and then talk to you a little bit about the 3rd hotel and show you the room tour. So let's get started. So for the good hotel, I have posted here the Grand Hyatt in Oriental Plaza in Beijing. The Grand Hyatt has a special place in my heart because that is the first hotel I ever stayed at when I was in China. Now, this hotel is very convenient, located next to Forbidden City. It's located right next to Wangfujing, which is an amazing shopping street, as well as it has a very historic food street that you can sample a lot of local delicacies, although a lot of the people I work with say that they don't eat the kind of food that is served there. But that being said, it's a really centralized location. I would recommend that hotel for others, although it is absolutely not my favorite place to stay in Beijing. The rooms tend to be a little bit small and the hotel is not updated. The best part about that hotel though is the pool and the gym. They are maybe some of the better, there are better gyms, that's for sure. But the pool is pretty awesome and you can spend a lot of time swimming if you want. It is underground, but it has a very tropical theme and it's beautiful. So without further ado, here is the room tour. Alright, I made it to Beijing and I made it to my hotel room and thought it would be fun to give you guys a quick hotel tour. So as you walk in the door, we've obviously got the closet here on the left. We've got a safe, some bathrobes, an iron, all the typical hotel stuff. And then we've got all the amenities here. We've got some great water, some tea. So I think that's tea. Yeah, tea and sugar. And then as you head in here, we have the bathroom. So we've got a bathtub, and of course the shower and toilet with this little nook here. That's great. All right. And then out here we've got the living room / office / bedroom. Very beautiful hotel. It's not my absolute favorite in Beijing. Tomorrow night I'll be staying at one of my favorites, but just thought you guys would like to take a look. All right, the second hotel I am going to take you to in Beijing is called Hotel Jen. Now, here is the name, so you have it for your reference. Hotel Jen is one of my absolute favorite hotels. It is located in the Guomao area of Beijing, very convenient. Hotel Jen is a very new hotel. They are located at China World Center, which is a very hustling, bustling business area of Beijing. You've got a lot of foreigners there, you've got a lot of businesses there, you've got great shopping malls, and you've got Hotel Jen, which is just an amazing hotel. Downstairs there's a great brewery called Beersmith, and you can get a great brew there. There's usually a band playing every night as well, so it makes it really fun. I also like Hotel Jen just because it is so much more modern. It's got USB ports to plug stuff in. It has a little seating area, although small, in the room. It just provides you with just a little bit more comfort than what you would get at the Grand Hyatt. So here is my room tour of Hotel Jen. Enjoy! All right, guys, I had a great day at work and have just checked into hotel number 2. This hotel is called Hotel Jen. It's in the Guomao district, so I thought I'd give you a quick tour. So right when you walk in, you've got kind of this open concept closet, which is pretty awesome. And then if we walk here, if we just go to the right, we've got the bathroom. Pretty cool. There's me. And then I think this is probably the toilet. Yes. Automatic, I think. Let's see if we get step close. Does it go up? Oh, nope. Not automatic. All right, and then here's the closet, or the shower. So, pretty nice shower. And then, I just got the 40 square meter room, so pretty small, but this is the king size bed and a little kind of dining area with your mini bar, a place to put on your shoes and place to store your suitcase. And then you've got this amazing view of downtown Beijing. We're actually facing south, so this is one of the busiest intersections. You can see how much traffic is there. That is crazy. So many people heading home from work. That's why I took the subway. So, as you can see, a beautiful hotel. So glad to be spending time here just for the night. All right, peace. All right, I hope you loved Hotel Jen as much as I do, but we've saved the best for last. The better hotel for Beijing is called the Opposite House. This hotel is absolutely fantastic. It is kind of Japanese themed, very, very modern. It is located in the heart of Sanlitun, which is very much a place with a ton of nightlife, fun, excitement, huge shopping malls. They've got amazing stores there. And it brings back so many memories from the 2 years that I lived in Beijing that when I stay at the Opposite House, I just feel like I am back into my life in Beijing, and it makes me so, so happy. So they are an absolutely beautiful hotel. You will see it in my room tour. Although I may not have gone to all the amenities, I think you'll see they give you yoga mats, they give you bottled water in an actual glass bottle. It's not one of the plastic bottles. Free amenities, snacks. I don't think I opened the mini fridge in my tour, so there's like a Snickers bar and a Nutri-Grain bar, Coke, which by the way, Coke in China tastes so much better than the US Coke. I don't know what it is, but it tastes amazing. And then on top of that, they give you amazing surprises every night. So you're gonna see my first night surprise in the video. And unfortunately, I didn't film the second night surprise, but they did say they leave you a little post-it note on one of those face masks. And it says, had a rough day, take a break. And gives you just something to refresh. And so I just think that's so thoughtful. And I just think that's so thoughtful. And they're just so friendly there. They've got a small gym, and they have a pool underground as well. Not as great as the Grand Hyatt's pool, so if that's the environment that you're looking for, then I would probably stay at the Grand Hyatt. But if you're looking to be in the heart of everything, Opposite House is a great place to stay. So here is Opposite House. All right, so you're walking in, and obviously there's me in the mirror. You've got a closet here with a safe and all of the normal situation. But what I love about this hotel too is they also provide you with a yoga mat and some weights and an invitation to Space Cycle, which is kind of like in the US what you would refer to as Soul Cycle. It's like fun bike riding with music and stuff. And then you've got just this really cool curtain here. And then it's kind of an open concept, but look at this wooden bathtub. I think that's pretty awesome. Maybe I'll take part in a bath today because it's not very often I get to be in a wooden bathtub, and then obviously the sink, and then you've got, oh, it's kind of dark, but the shower here with the wooden floors, and then obviously the toilet area. So I think that's pretty cool. And it's a very modern design. You've got the television here, and then a beautiful bed. They turned my room down for night service, so we've got slippers and some water. Such a nice personal aspects that this hotel gives. And then they gave me a personalized note. Hi, John, just wishing me the best time, and we wish you your stay in Beijing everything you want it to be. This is an amazing place with, look at this, some green macaroons. So great. I haven't tried it yet, but I will test them out. Anyways, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna try one of these green macaroons. All right. Oh my God. I think from my US roots, I assumed they'd be peppermint-y, kind of like a shamrock shake. But in fact, they are matcha green tea. So it doesn't surprise me at all living here in Asia, but a pleasant surprise. That was good. I don't know if you can see that, but kind of got a creamy outside with definitely the green tea inside. Delicious. All right, see you guys later. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour, the good, better, best of 3 hotels in Beijing. There are hundreds of places to stay. I haven't done an Airbnb. I've had a couple of friends who have and have had a lot of success with that as well. There are tons of other hotels that I've stayed in. These are just the 3 recent ones that I've stayed in the last couple of weeks that I thought you guys might enjoy seeing. That it is virtually the same, if not higher quality, to stay here in some of these hotels in China than it is even staying at some of the hotels in the US. So another amazing reason to come visit this awesome country. So hope you guys have a great day, and see you in the next video. Bye!